Okay, this is the side of the dishwasher panel, so all we need to do now is measure in here, and then what we're going to be doing is to cut in our filler. So I've got 16mm there, and I've got about 15mm at the top. So I just scribe that onto my actual filler, make sure usually what I do is I put an X on the side that I want to take off, and this side here is the side that I want to keep. So I need to cut this filler down to actually sit inside there. So with the jigsaw, it's a lot easier to cut. If you've got a fair bit to take off, it's a lot easier to cut the first bit off with the jigsaw, and then you finish off then with your electric planer to get a nice finish. Okay, so with the jigsaw, because it does chip a little bit, always keep a couple of mil away from the actual line as you're jigsawing it out, and now you can just do a plain finish to finish that off. Alright, so just when sliding our filler in, start from the top and then just slide down the bottom. Just have it flush with the top up here. Normally what I recommend is setting the filler in from the actual wall a couple of mil. You're much better off being in than being dead flush or being a little bit out. So if this filler here is set actually into the wall by about a mil, mil and a half, that usually is the best way to finish it off. And then all I'm going to do here, because I've actually got a stud that's running down this wall here, is I can screw through here, screw through the filler and directly into the stud, and that'll hold it into position. I'm going to use a little bit of a longer screw here. I'll use basically a 65mm long screw. That way I'm going to make sure I get a good fix into that actual stud.